Alright, so this is going to be a Costco item review of this beef ribeye steak bone-in USDA choice. It was $9.99 a pound, and it's basically a ribeye that they leave super thick, and then leave the bone, if I'm not mistaken. Or I think people call this a tomahawk steak. This one is super thick. I think this is like 3 or more inches thick, so I'm definitely going to have to at least cut it in half. And we'll see. Alright, I'm gonna sous vide it medium rare, and then you'll just see the final product. Alright, so here it is. I split this one in half. You can see it's still a very thick, massive steak. Yeah, I think this one that I cut in half was like 3.5 inch thick, and this one alone is anywhere from 1 to almost 2 inches, probably about 2 inches where the bone is. Anyways, I'm going to vacuum bag these with, I'm going to first put this on it, and then, yeah, we'll vacuum bag it up. The bags I brought were actually a little bit too skinny, but it fit, so now we're going to put it on sous vide mode, let it shrink up, and then we're going to vacuum seal it and drop it in the sous vide bath. I'm going to do that with all 3. Alright, it's getting there. Vacuumed up pretty tight. Okay, I don't think it's going anymore. There we go, and now we'll seal it. And then we'll drop it in the hot water bath. Alright, there it is. Open it up. And let's put in the hot water bath. Alright, so I have it set to 127. Take this out. And we'll just drop it in there. Alright, so we'll do that with all of them, and we'll be back. Alright, so I hope this works. I put some paper towels over the sharp points of the bones. So hopefully, I'm gonna now vacuum seal it, and I hope it won't puncture. Shrinking. It's working so far. Hopefully the other side of that bone isn't sharp, because I only wrapped it around here and then just put it on top there. You can see it's getting very tightly vacuumed. With the bone, it's like super tight wrapped here. Going to absorb. These paper towels are going to get a lot of moisture in them. Alright, I think that's good for now. Let's seal it, and then yeah. Alright, open this up. Take a look. Alright, looks like it's sealed well, and there's no sharp point here, so I think we should be okay. I mean, even the garlic piece is sharper than that. Alright, we're going to dump this one in the water. Alright, there it is. The other one's already been cooking a bit. And let's go ahead and do the last one. Alright. This one was kind of sharp on both sides here. So I wrapped it around. Hopefully it'll vent it, because now it's not as thick of a layer. And it was kind of hard to squeeze the paper back there. So we'll see. Let it go for a little bit. See that side. And I think we should be good. So we'll seal it now. And yeah, then we'll dump this last one in. And I'll probably have to let this go in there for about 4 hours because it's so thick. We'll see. I'm probably going to end up leaving it sitting in there for like 6 or 7 hours, but yeah. Alright, here it is. And it's not too sharp there, not too sharp there, so we should be good. Alright, they're all in. So now we just gotta wait. Why is it? There you go. Alright. We'll see you guys when we start searing them. Alright, so I dried it out and I put one in there in this infrared sear thing. We'll see how it goes. Alright. I'll show you guys once it's ready. But we're gonna let it go, flip it over, let it go some more. Alright, look at it. It looks really good. I'm gonna grab this and flip it over. Oh, it's really heavy. Over. See, this is the side that wasn't seared. Look at the difference. We're gonna let that go. Alright, and it's done. That looks really good. There was quite a bit of fat to trim off, but the cap turned out really good. Super tender, rare to medium rare. The rest was more like a medium well and a bit more tough. But that's pretty much it. It was great.